Let's see. This is going to be a cold start of the Mazda Rx-8. It's in the garage, so it's a little longer than with the outside. Oops. The outside right now is about, I think that's 32 degrees. So, let's see. Oh, okay. I shut the door. I got the garage door opener right here. So you push this, open the garage door. Pretty neat. There's me. Alright, let's put the key in. Turn the car on. This car had the engine replaced last year, so that's why it is starting pretty quickly, even on a cold start. Okay. You brake, put down, and I'm just going to back it up out of the garage so I can let it warm up. So we push down, over, right, to reverse. Okay, let's back up a little bit. Watch out for the garage. Alright, cool. I'm pull into the sun so it gets more sun here to get it warmed up. Alright, it's about good. I'll leave it right there. Alright, brake, and that's about it. I'll let the car warm up. I have to do some other things too. So I'll let it warm up for about like 3 to 5 minutes before I drive it usually. Just healthy for it. Especially during the winter like it is now. It's not too bad outside today. Do I need my jacket? I don't have my jacket. I can get my jacket. Alright, I didn't get my sunglasses on my other car though. My battery's almost dead on my phone, so this video might cut short. Same exact key. Same thing basically, but it is a Mazda 6. This is also manual. As you can see, 2004. The Mazda Rx-8 is 2004 as well. Might have my sunglasses. Shit. What's over here? No, those are my good ones. I still drive this car mainly. The Rx-8 is kind of for a weekend. Where did I put my sunglasses? Are those it down there? Hold on. What are these? Here they are. Got them. The green ones.